Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews on the coolest bikes and cars out there. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about, the 2025 Insane Chopper motorcycle. This beast isn't just a bike, it's a statement on two wheels. From the design to the performance, the Insane Chopper pushes the boundaries of what a custom motorcycle can be. Let's dive right in. First up, the design. This is one of those bikes that instantly grabs your attention. The 2025 Insane Chopper has a frame that screams power, with its aggressive stance and cutting-edge styling. The lines are clean but bold, and every curve of the bike exudes attitude. The custom-built, hand-finished chassis looks like something out of a futuristic movie, yet it retains that classic chopper flair that enthusiasts love. The attention to detail here is off the charts. From the chrome accents to the minimalist yet sharp tail section, every part has been engineered to perfection. When it comes to power, this bike doesn't hold back. The 2025 Insane Chopper is equipped with a monstrous 2,200cc V-twin engine that cranks out a mind-blowing 230 horsepower. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the streets, this engine gives you all the grunt and acceleration you need. The torque is brutal, pushing you into the seat with every twist of the throttle. And let me tell you, that sound, when you open it up, it's pure motorcycle heaven. But it's not all about raw power. The 2025 Insane Chopper is surprisingly nimble for its size. Thanks to its advanced suspension system and lightweight components, the bike handles curves and tight corners with ease. It's a bike that makes you feel connected to the road, offering a riding experience that's both thrilling and responsive. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone who loves the occasional cruise, this chopper offers a surprisingly comfortable ride, despite its intimidating appearance. Now, let's talk tech. The 2025 Insane Chopper comes with a fully digital dashboard that gives you all the information you need at a glance, from speed and fuel level to engine performance stats. Plus, it has integrated Bluetooth connectivity so you can sync your phone and control music, take calls, or even navigate using the bike's GPS system. All of this is displayed on a sleek, high-definition screen that looks as good as it performs. In terms of safety, this bike is no slouch either. The 2025 Insane Chopper is equipped with cutting-edge features like traction control, ABS brakes, and multiple ride modes to suit different conditions and skill levels. Whether you're navigating city traffic or hitting the open road at top speed, these features give you peace of mind, knowing you've got the tools to handle whatever comes your way. So, is the 2025 Insane Chopper worth the price tag? Absolutely. With its insane power, jaw-dropping design, and advanced technology, this bike is for those who want to own the road. If you're looking for a chopper that combines the best of both worlds, classic style with modern innovation, this is the one to get. Thanks for tuning into Car Reviewpedia. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll be covering more of the hottest bikes and cars on the market. Until then, ride safe and keep revving.